Hey, it's Paul coming to you from snowy Zealand Campground in New Hampshire. Gonna try out my new JetBoil cooking system. Alright, so I got the JetBoil going. It's got some water in the container. It's a 0.8 liter size. I figured it was just big enough for me. I was quite lucky. When I tested out my lighter, it wasn't working, so I got that going. So let's see how this works. Well, looks like she's roaring now, so let's go see what she looks like. So for the first boil in the first attempt, I really think I'm gonna like this because that took no time at all to get to a roaring boil. Everything packs inside itself. It's really light, which you want for a hike. And I remembered to bring something to cook on it. I can tell you actually how that works. So I think I'm going to give this JetBoil a passing grade. So for my first attempt with a JetBoil cooking system, I have to say I'm quite pleased. Took no time at all to set up. Stores inside itself, so it takes up very little space. It's very light, and it takes no time at all to boil water. So I guess it definitely lives up to its name, JetBoil. So for what I paid for it, I'm really pleased, and I can't wait to use it later this summer.